Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Nature Guy X46 and this is a video all about the common daylily, so let's jump into it. So the daylily was introduced into the United States in the late 19th century. They came from either China or Japan. It eventually escaped cultivation and it has become a naturalized species and is also an invasive species. It can be found in 42 states and 5 provinces in Canada. You can see the flowers and the buds in my video, and I'm going to include a picture of them. Or you know what? No, I'm not, because you can see them. So what's the point? So this plant is edible. The flowers and the flower buds are all edible, as well as the tubers, as long as they're white. And the young shoots are all edible. You can eat the flowers and the buds raw, as well as the tubers, but only do so if you know that they are clean or totally clean of pesticides. You can also cook the flowers, the young shoots, the buds, and the tubers in all different ways. Now, with any plant, it is my duty to give you guys some warnings. So the first warning is for those of you that have cats. This plant is poisonous to cats. You might be wise to keep an eye on your cats around this plant, because I can't rule out the possibility of death as an outcome if your cat ingests this plant. They are not toxic to dogs. Second, only this species of daylily are edible. They have to be this color orange. If they're not, do not eat it. Do not eat it if it's not this color. Third, with any plants, especially these, there's a possibility of allergies. And the fourth warning I'm going to give you is the flowers and the young shoots are laxatives. So that includes the buds. So watch out. Medicinally, it does have some uses. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. Medicinally, this plant, as I've already said, is a laxative. The flowers and shoots, to be precise. It is said to relieve pain, help to prevent vomiting, help to ease muscle cramps and spasms, reduce fevers, and help you sleep. Thanks for watching my video. Next video will be the parts of a flower, so be watching for that. Do me a favor and give this video a like. Subscribe, because that helps me out. Click that notification bell so you know when my next video is coming out. This is Nature Guy X46 saying, see you later.